Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix laptop or PC automatic shutdown problem in Windows 11. So let's get started. So if you want to fix that problem, what you can do is just simply open up your laptop and then tap on Windows key. After tapping on Windows key in search bar, you can search for control panel. Here you can find control panel, and after searching for control panel, now what you can do is tap on this option which says power options. After tapping on power options, now what you have to do is just tap on this first option which says choose what the power button do. And after tapping on that, you will come up to this page where you can just tap on change settings. And after tapping on change settings, now you can change your settings. So just turn this option off if it's on. And after turning this option off, now you just have to tap on save changes. And after tapping on save changes in this page, you can find this option which says balance recommended. So just tap on change plane settings, which is beside that option. And after tapping on that, now what you can do is just tap on this option which says turn off the display. Here is 10 minutes. Now if it is set to 3 or 2 minutes, what you have to do is just change it to 10 or 15 minutes and then tap on save changes. After tapping on save changes, now what you have to do is come back to your home page or into your home and then tap on the search bar. After tapping on search bar, now you can search for SYS. After tapping on the search bar, now I can search for sysdm.cpl. After searching for that, you will open this tab, and over here what you have to do is just tap on advanced, which is on the top third option. So just tap on advanced and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, now what you have to do is inside your system default, you can find automatically restart option. So if that's turned on, you just have to turn it off. And after turning it off, now you just have to tap on OK. And after tapping on OK, again tap on OK. And now you have changed the settings. Now what you can do is just check if that worked. And after changing those settings, now what you can do is just restart your PC. So just simply restart your PC, and by restarting your PC, you might fix the problem. So what you have to do is just check if you have fixed the problem. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, what I'll do is I'll just suggest you to scan your device. So to scan your device, what you have to do is just type in Windows R, and that will open your run tab. And now what you have to do is just type in CMD. After typing in CMD, that will open your command prompt. And now what you have to do is just type in sfc/scan now. So sfc spacebar/scan now. After searching for that, tap on enter, and what it's saying is you must be an administrator, runner and console session in order to use the sfc utilization. So just turn off this window, and now what you have to do is just tap on this window bar and then search for control panel and then search for command prompt. After searching for command prompt, now here you can find this option which says run as administrator. So just tap on run as administrator and then just tap on yes. And after tapping on yes, now you just have to enter the same code sfc spacebar/scan now. And after tapping on enter, this process will take some time. So after scanning your device, you will successfully fix that problem. And that's it guys, this is how to fix laptop or PC automatic shutdown problem in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.